Hey guys, welcome to Help Screen, and this is how to deactivate Facebook account 2025 update. So, first thing is just simply go ahead and open the Facebook application and just simply select your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you should be able to see here the gear icon beside the search icon on the top right corner as well. And now you should be able to see the settings and privacy. Now, just simply select see more in account center. And now from here, guys, just simply scroll down and you will have two ways. So in other Facebook, you should be able to go ahead and go to personal details, and you should be able to see here account ownership and control. And in some cases, you should be able to see the account ownership and control here on the accounts when you go back. So in my case, it is on the personal details, and just simply select account ownership and control, and you should be able to see here deactivation or deletion. So select that and just simply select the account that you want to deactivate, and you will have two options. It's either deactivating it or deleting it. So for this video, we are going to deactivate and just simply select it and select continue. And from here, guys, if you deactivate your account, it will deactivate the page as well. So it is just a warning and select continue. And from here, you can just simply provide your password over here to proceed, and you should be able to deactivate it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.